strawberry nectarine smoothie brings in all of those great tastes of summer, and so it's one that I really like to do, especially when I'm on the go. I throw it all together. I'm able to drink it as I'm editing videos or looking at new recipes or helping my kids do their homeschool. It just makes it so much easier for my mornings. So let me show you how I do it. I start out with 6 large strawberries. Today I'm doing fresh strawberries, but a lot of times I do the frozen ones. 4 large raspberries. These are frozen. Half of a frozen nectarine. I just kind of estimate when it comes to the slices for that one. And I do 6 frozen goji berries. You could probably do dehydrated as well, or a little bit of goji powder if that was easier for you. And then 1/4 a cup of milk. I like to use whole milk because it's a little bit creamier, but that's up to you. You could also substitute coconut milk or oat milk or almond milk or soy milk. It's all up to you. And 1/4 of a cup of orange juice and 6 tablespoons of vanilla yogurt. You could use plain if you wanted, but I like that little hint of vanilla. It's approximately 3 ounces worth of yogurt, which is usually about half of a container. I really like to do the Greek yogurt, but you can do whatever kind you prefer. Then I'll blend it on high until it's well mixed. Then I pour it into my cup and I'm ready to go. Using the fresh strawberries makes it into a nice smooth smoothie, but if you use the frozen ones, then you can do a smoothie bowl instead, and you can sprinkle some chia seeds, some granola, some fresh fruit on top. Really good that way too. So good. Tastes like summer. Delicious. You have all those fruits mixed in there, the creaminess, the citrus of the orange juice. Perfect breakfast.